So recently, I shared with you a 4-step process for setting goals in your shop. Number 1, where are we now? Number 2, I encourage you to do a SWOT analysis, looking at where our weaknesses and opportunities are, specifically from the number side or the key performance indicators. Where are those opportunities? Number 3, how do we execute the plan? That's bringing it to the team and getting them involved and letting them know what part they play. And number 4, I want to make sure you see it. So I mean, print that report, share it with your team. I suggest you post it. It's bulletin board material where your team could see it every week. On this video, I want to share with you just the 2 quick points on those top items about actually the goal setting part. So where am I now? And taking a look for those weaknesses and opportunities. You see, one of the things I want you to do as you're looking at those numbers is I want you to dream big. What I find often, it's not that most shop owners set their goals too high and don't achieve them. No. Usually it's they're very timid when they set goals and they set the goals too low. And that's a disservice to you, your employees, and your business. So dream big when you look at those. As a business coach for 20 plus years and a shop owner for over 30 years, gosh, that makes me sound old, doesn't it? But anyways, what I notice is you can have 2 shops in the same town and have vastly different results. One shop can actually be killing it, great average ticket, cart count, big numbers, and the other shop just doing a fraction of that. Belly aching about all of the reasons why they can't achieve those goals. You know, I'm in a bad town, got the wrong people, my customers don't have any money, but my goodness, I can see it time and time again. It's the same town, the same people, yet completely different results. What's the difference? I think it's the limiting beliefs, the beliefs in what each one of those shop owners think is possible. To illustrate that point, I want to share with you a story of one of our members. Now, this guy's just been killing it for years. He's got a super successful shop, bursting at the seams. So here's the crazy part. He bought a shop about 200 yards away from his current location. And why I bring this point up is his current shop had enormous results. Their average repair order, and I'm going to focus in on that, was probably close to $1,000. Maybe even more. The shop he purchased was doing about half of that. The man ended up selling the business and his average repair order was probably $450, $500. Now again, same town, shoot, it's even on the same block. What's the difference? I believe it was the difference of the thinking of each shop owner, what they thought was possible. So as you set your goals, I encourage you to dream big. Silence that inner voice, all of the reasons why I can't do it, and start thinking about all the reasons why you can. Good luck on your goal settings in the coming year. Again, my name's Gerry Frank. If I can help you in any way, feel free to shoot me an email, jerry@maverickshopowners.com. And what I'd really like you to do is go ahead and click the thumbs up, the like button on this video. Appreciate it very much. Talk again real soon.